Welcome back. Now, come 1st of October, your auto debit transactions will no longer be automatic. So, if you have any auto debit set up via debit card, credit card, or UPI payments, you will now have to approve the transaction before it goes through. Now, this is because the Reserve Bank of India's new rules for recurring payment transactions come into effect from the 1st. Now, these rules mandate that banks ensure an additional layer of security by sending alerts to customers 24 hours before the debit, which allows for either approving or cancelling the transaction. So let's quickly understand what exactly these rules mean. Now, essentially, the payments will not be automatically deducted any longer. There will be an additional factor authentication that will be required on registration for this process. The additional factor authentication will also be required for the first debit. Then, post that, for all subsequent debits that happen, pre-transaction notification will then be sent. These alerts will come in 24 hours. It could be via an SMS or via an email. The customer can then approve or opt out, that is, cancel the transaction altogether. And these rules, like I pointed out, come into effect on the 1st of October. And these rules essentially apply to all transactions above 5,000 rupees made by either credit card or debit cards as well. And essentially, this has been done after there has been a rise in complaints of debits, and customers say that even after they opted out of the auto debit transactions, they are still getting debited from their account. So essentially, it's to enhance the security of digital payments and protect customers from fraudulent transactions. It gives customers transparency as well as flexibility to approve or cancel debits at this point in time. But let's go across to Harsh Rungta, who's joining us on the phone line here. Harsh, thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. There seems to be some confusion at this point in time in terms of, the parts that are eligible, the transactions that are eligible, whether EMIs fall into this category. Some banks, for example, ICICI, has put out a notification saying EMIs will not be eligible for this. But some other banks have sent out SMSs saying that all transactions will fall under this category, and then you will have to re-register for this cycle and for these auto debit transactions.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Harsh, we can hear you. Please go ahead.
Right. So I think the confusion arises as to the mode of the debit. My understanding of this is that if the recurring debit or the recurring transaction is on a debit card or a credit card or a prepaid wallet instrument, in that case, it is obviously affected by these new instructions that will come into effect from October 1. But if you have a NACH payment which is outside the card, it is debit into the account itself, and it is set up after due authentication. I don't think that is affected. That is my understanding of the situation.
Okay. And these rules per se, of course, a lot of people feel that at this point in time, this will require additional, layer of approval, and that sort of defeats the purpose of auto debits. But in the long run, it is safer for customers because you have that additional security before any kind of transaction goes through.
True. So this is a classic issue about, there being friction at the time of payment, and any friction at the time of payment obviously leads to lower sales. I mean, sometimes it may just be that the client is not around to see the SMS or the email, etc. He may still want to pay. So there will be both kinds of issues. Because this friction is introduced, some people who didn't want to pay will benefit because, they will either disapprove or just don't do anything. But on the other hand, people who want to pay will be affected if they don't proactively approve it. So I think there is a golden mean somewhere. And obviously, I think this is something that has been in the works for the last couple of years now. There have been a couple of postponements. And I think this time RBI has put its foot down and has said that it will become effective from October 1.
Yes.
So I think we will see this. I don't think it is going to get postponed again.
All right, we leave it there. Harshramta, thank you so much for joining us and getting us that perspective here. So most importantly, for all our viewers and those who have auto debit set up, it's important that you go to your bank and ask what is the process now and how is your auto debit transactions going to be affected. Important that you get that clarification from your bank before the 1st of October.